This morning, just as the sun was rising, I got up and I put my phone with the Merlin app open to record, and I left it for 30 minutes outside. The reason I chose early morning was because that's when birds are most active, and I wanted to know just exactly which birds live around my house. And so when I returned, there was a huge list of birds that are singing. I didn't see hardly any, but I was able to pick up quite a few that are around. Hello and good morning. If you're new here, my name is Annalise, and my husband Alvaro and I film videos in Panama about birdwatching and bird art, as my husband is a wildlife painter. We love doing nature videos, and our channel was launched about, I want to say 2 years ago, and we really enjoy sharing what we get to see in Panama with you all. Today's a tutorial on Merlin, so I'm going to show you 3 different ways that we use Merlin to see more birds around our house. So this morning I was birding in this section of woods, and I got several pictures of birds, but I was not able to identify them. I will show you. This is what one of them looked like, and then this is the other one, and I did not know what they were. So once you open Merlin, you can click take photo. I already took the photo, so I'm going to go back and click choose photo. And then find the photo of the bird that you took and fit it as well as you can into the screen. And you're going to hit next and then identify. And it says it's an orange colored mannequin. This is really exciting for me because I got the male orange colored mannequin about a week ago, and now it's identified the female, and it just blows my mind. I wasn't even looking for it. You can also use the Merlin app to call a bird that you're hoping to see or that you know is out there but you have not seen, so you haven't gotten a photo of it. For the past 3 days, Alvaro and I have been hearing a bird that we think is the bellbird, the three-wattled bellbird, and so this morning I tried calling it with my app. So now I'm going to call the bellbird, the three-wattled bellbird, because Merlin is picking up the sound of the bellbird. And it's very uncommon, very rare to see, but it would be super cool if I was able to see it. Okay, the bellbird did not show his face. I don't know if he is a male and is like not wanting to see another male or what, but it doesn't always work. It's not foolproof. Sometimes the birds don't come out, but it is a really good method to attract. If you know what bird is in there and you want to see it, it's a really good method. So this is the method that I started out the video with, and I do it every single morning. I leave my phone recording with the sound app open, and then I check and see which birds have stopped by. And while I haven't seen all of these birds, just in the past week or so, Merlin has identified the three-wattled bellbird, the Lesson's motmot, the lance-tailed mannequin, the little tinamou, roadside hawk, a gray-cowled wood-rail, a laughing falcon, a green heron, a crested oripendula, a smooth-billed eni, a barred ant shrike, a northern emerald toucanet, and the Montezuma oripendula. Alright, that's about everything that I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Maybe we'll even do a video to answer your question or show you some birding nooks around where we live in Panama. Also, you'll want to stay tuned because we are working on a 2026 Panama plumage Birds of Panama calendar. So that is something that we are so excited to share with you. So thanks again, and we will see you in the next video.